Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless hammer drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita XPH07TB. Winning our nomination for Best All-Around Cordless Hammer Drill, this 18-volt drill is powered by a lithium-ion battery and brushless motor. The brushless motor affords a longer run time and overall tool life, while delivering higher speeds and power than others in its class. There are two 18-volt 5.0Ah batteries included with the purchase of the drill, as well as a battery charging pack, which delivers a pretty quick recharge time of only 40 minutes. This means you can get more done in a shorter amount of time. This drill can deliver 1,090 pounds of torque, making it a good option for any job that you'll face. At almost 6 pounds, it's one of the heavier drills we've selected, but its weight packs a punch. There's almost no task that you can't accomplish with this tool. And, with a 3-year warranty included with your purchase, you can rest easy knowing that you're covered, no matter what. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dewalt DCD950KX. This Dewalt drill is a compact unit, measuring a mere 9 by 6 by 15 inches, making it highly comfortable to work with. The 3-speed cordless hammer drill is a great pick for someone who wants it all. This Dewalt drill is best in class for better control and balance, and its extended runtime batteries provide a long battery life, allowing you to work for longer and finish your projects uninterrupted. It also has a self-tightening 1/2-inch chuck and 22 different clutch settings, meaning there's almost no project it can't tackle. The drill delivers high power of 450 units of max power. Additionally, the drill features an LED work light, which is perfect if you'll be working in dimly lit, confined spaces. Finally, the Dewalt comes with a lot of extras, including a 3-year warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee. And, the drill can be powered by any Dewalt 18 volts battery. If you have other tools powered by the same battery, this pick makes sense for you so you don't have to worry about getting different batteries. At number 3, we have the Ryobi P1813 Plus. This Ryobi kit offers it all: a drill, a battery charger and a flexible bag for storage. The drill itself provides up to 750 pounds of torque, which will allow you to work even with very tough materials. The hammer drill has a 24-position clutch in 3 different speed settings. All of that power is packed into a relatively small and light drill, weighing only 3 pounds, so you can work for extended periods of time without discomfort or having to take a break due to fatigue. The inbuilt magnetic bit holder will come in handy while you're working. The drill has also been designed for ease of use, and is covered in rubber coatings to ensure a firm and steady grip, no matter what the conditions are. The 18 volts battery will help you power through whatever job is at hand: wood, steel or stone. At number 2, we have the Dewalt DCD950KX kit and drill bit set. The DCD950KX 20 volts max lithium-ion compact drill driver kit features a lightweight, 2-speed drill and a 14-piece drill bit set. The drill relies on a 20 volts battery to power it, which means plenty of power, whatever the task at hand may be. The kit also comes with a battery and compact battery charger, meaning that this is the only thing you'll need to buy to get all your projects done. This Dewalt hammer drill is incredibly lightweight and compact, and many users have reported how much easier they have found working with it after their previous, much bulkier and heavier drills. Plus, it has a highly ergonomic handle, for ultimate comfort whilst working. The only thing we weren't a fan of when reviewing was the brushed motor, however this seems like a minor detail when we consider its impressive performance. The drill delivers certainly just as much power as a brushless motor. Overall, if you need a no-nonsense drill, then this is the choice for you. It'll get the job done time and time again. Just make sure you don't try it on overly tough materials, such as dense concrete, as it may struggle. And finally at number 1, we have the VonHaus cordless drill driver set. If you're looking to get the most bang for your buck, this kit is it. This great value set from VonHaus features a drill, a battery, a charger, a 15-piece drill bit set and a large carrying case. The drill itself runs on a 20 volts battery, and puts out 366 pounds of torque. It features an LED work light, variable trigger speed and driver and hammer function. The drill's battery charger can also work quickly, charging the battery in about 50 minutes, meaning you can get back to work sooner. As this is not a traditional hammer drill, rather a tool with both drill and hammer drill functions, you may overlook this option when searching for your cordless hammer drill. Don't let this put you off though, it's a tough little tool and will even drill through concrete. It's not the lightest on the market, but is still relatively compact, and for a cordless drill under $100, this is an amazing find. Finally, although the warranty isn't particularly lengthy, 2 years still provides that extra peace of mind. However, with the sturdy build and cast aluminum gear head and parts, you can use your tool with full confidence. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.